What's up, everyone? Received this package about 2 weeks ago, just haven't had the time to install it. It's Frank's Custom Kreations carbon fiber mudguards for the IS500. Let's see what's inside, and I apologize, I'm doing this one-handed. FCK sticker. Some sweets for a good time during the install, one for the front, one for the rear. We got the tools here that we need for the rear, I believe only. The front uses the stock. And let's see what we have here. Cup inserts. We have two right here. They have the wrap on them. Two more. All right, let's go out there and get them installed, and I'll give you guys a walk around of the install and then a final look at the final product. See you out there. All right, we're out here now in the garage, back at it again. Now let's go ahead and remove the pins. So what we're working with is this one right here and this bad boy right here. What I'm gonna use is, I found this that fits. Oh, that's tightening it. Lefty loosey. Let me close the door behind me so it's less noise for you guys. All right. And for this, I have this removal tool on a Swiss Army knife. Come on. There you go. That one was straightforward. This is going to be the front, that's the back. Let's go ahead and remove the tape. Not as satisfying as I thought it would be. Oh, nice and shiny. All right, let me just go ahead and squeeze this one in. Put this one in. Oh no, hold on. That clip just pressed itself in. There you go. Let me just put that top one in. I think he said it would be easier. You know what? Let me completely remove that side. Hold on. Let's just, can we take the pen out? There you go. So I think this would be easier. Leave the pin outside. Yep, much better. Oh my god, yeah, so much easier. Now let me just get this one lined up here. Perfect. Now back to righty tighty, lefty loosey. I don't know if it gets any tighter. It's not. Top one is in. Yeah, I guess this is it. Let's take a look at the back side. I'm gonna move the camera, but overall, very straightforward install for the front part here. Let's take a look at the back side of it. I'm gonna move the light with me. Sharp, I love it. Clean cut. Clean cut. All right, let's move over to the back side. That is gonna take some work. All right, guys, we're gonna start working on the back side. I got the tools that I need for the back. So we have this for the top one and this for the bottom. This piece is gonna go from the back side, and let's get on with it. So that's the one for the back right here. We'll take off the tape and get right on it. You know what? First thing, let's take off the pins here. I'm saving these, by the way, just in case for the future we ever need to put it back to fully stock. Come on. That's a big whale. There you go. Second one came out, but we can't reuse. So let's take off the plastic off this one. Hopefully it's more satisfying. One peel shall do it all. Almost. Let me just see the fitting. Oh, careful with the paint. Okay. Okay. I think that fits. Let me just loosen the top one up and take this one out. I think this looks right. Hold on, let me tighten up that bottom one. So I'm reaching out under the car. My eyes, my hands are gonna be my eyes now, because my eyes aren't working. Where is it? Gotta feel for it. Perfect, I got it. Come on. You guys can probably hear it going on perfectly fine. There you go, it's in. There you go, we got it pushed in. Ooh, easy. Let me just get the tool and just make sure it's as tight as we can get it. Nope, a couple more. And now what we're gonna do is the same thing, but for the bottom one, I'm gonna try to spin it and hold the back of the screw. Hold on. Where is it?
All right, the bottom one's nice and tight. Let me just see if I can get the top one a bit more tighter. I don't think it'll ever stop spinning though, the top one, per his video. Ooh, perfect fit actually. Perfect fit. Let's take a look from the front. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the cup insert. The only thing is I have this bad boy in here, so let's take it off. There's nothing in that place already. It's nice and padded on the bottom. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Now, I'll put this back on because the wire fits perfectly. I got the short one, by the way, so it fits perfectly. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll do the other side in a second. But overall, I'm pleased with the look. This is the standard, so it's got about 2 fingers. 1 big finger maybe. And this is the standard on the back, almost 3 fingers to the bottom. Beautiful design, I definitely recommend. We'll do tests for a couple weeks and report back, let you know guys how it works out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace.